Hey guys, what's happened? I had to withdraw euro from Binance to bank account. So go ahead and click more under the total balance. Okay. And search for withdraw fiat. Okay. Go ahead and click withdraw fiat. And then select the withdrawal method. You can buy USDT with AUD balance, or you can buy USDT with euro balance, for example, and select the withdrawal method, basically, right? So if you're willing to buy with the AUD or euro for that case, you could go ahead and move along, right? And buy the amount, basically, right? And you need to enter at least 20 AUD or Australian dollar, okay? And you can see right here AUD at the top next to the withdrawal. You can then select euro, for example, right? In order to add the payment method, okay? Let's have, for example, SAR, which is my current currency, and then go ahead and continue. And in my case, I need to sell USDT in the market, and someone else will buy the USDT and pay me with using my bank account or whatever payment method you use in your current place, right? That applies for euros. For euros is very different. You can withdraw directly to a specific bank account, right? And you can add your credentials and receive it right away, okay? But for different currency, different methods, basically, right? And then you're gonna be able to withdraw the money to your bank account. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next time.